Hello, and welcome to the L3 method. L3 stands for lose the last layer, and this very high-touch, high-boutique 90-day program is designed specifically for boss babes who are looking to do just that. Lose that last stubborn 7 to 17 pounds, get super lean and fit with beautiful feminine muscle tone and curves, and adopt the right personalized, healthy lifestyle habits to stay there sustainably for life. So what makes you a boss babe specifically? Well, you're likely super driven, you work really hard, and you're also focused on the things that are really important in life, like family, relationships, career, and life purpose. And because of this, you don't have a lot of extra time. This is a huge pain point for us boss babes. How can I effectively reach my goal in the least amount of time without risking burnout? Well, there are a few crucial steps to consider here, but the first one is customization. Yes, boss babes, they don't have a lot of time to waste trying all the different workout methods and the diets that are out there right now. We need something that is tailor-fit for our current body type, our current metabolism, and to our goals. So how do we do this? Well, we must discover your unique body type first. In my 11 years of being a fitness, nutrition, and weight loss coach, I got tired of all the body types that are out there that, quite frankly, don't sound inspiring at all. I mean, who wants to label themselves a pear? Who wants to call themselves or aspire to be an apple? I seriously don't get it. I just, also believed it was time to have a series of body types that not only represented your naturally, genetically inclined shape, but also combined that with your current metabolism. So not where your metabolism was 5 years ago and not where your metabolism is going to be in 6 months, but where it is right now, because right now is all we get to work with. So body types like ectomorph, endomorph, and mesomorph help to describe an individual's metabolic speeds and tendencies, but they fail to intertwine the other crucial component of natural shape. So what did I do? I created my own system of 11 unique body types, 7 for women and 4 for men, to determine which specific exercise, nutrition, and healthy lifestyle game planning is required to get you swiftly and sustainably to your goal. So if you'd like to discover your unique body type, which is again the first step to putting your personalized game plan together so that you can get into the best shape of your entire life, click the button below this video and have fun taking the quiz that I created just for you. When you're finished, you're going to be redirected to another video to explain what that body type means that you scored highest with. Lastly, if you feel you're ready to dive deeper into your specific fitness strategy, you can also book a 15-minute free discovery call. Myself or one of the other incredible L3 method coaches will take the time to answer your questions, speak further on what's next for you as far as becoming your leanest, fittest self, and make sure you're all squared away with your next steps for your unique game plan. All right, gorgeous, see you on the inside.